G'day and welcome back. I'm just doing a simple replacement here on the pop-up plug, and it started to sort of not release once it's pressed down. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. So anyway, this is the old one here. As you can see, it's pretty well gunked up. It feels dry on the outside, and a lot of the time the problem is the lubricant on the inside dries up, and see it's stuck there, and then obviously it fills up with crap too. It doesn't help over time. To keep them sort of lubricated, spray something down there, or some sort of grease, Teflon or something like that every once in a while, and it'll stop all the issues. Or you can pull this apart and clean it. But I went down the road, and this one here is prepared earlier for me, as you do. It's cheaper to get that than the whole housing. You don't need the whole housing to replace it. So if some people are saying that, then they're just ripping you off. Well, you screw it in there, nip it up. Doesn't need much, just like that should be enough. Have a test, seems to be alright. Now, here's the top part. Seems to work fine. Just want to make sure that that around there is clean and not abrasive to the seal. You can see where the seal sits up around the top there. Not sure what that crap is down there further. But yeah, it's a pretty clean drain. You can see the bubbles down there, so it's not full of crap and junk. So where the seal sits seems to be okay. Let's fucking get the tissue here and get some of that done. Have a look at the seal, make sure it's not pitted or teared or anything like that. Clean underneath it. Now that I've done some maintenance on this, I've got to clean the sink. But yeah, that's what it should do. Pop up. Thanks for watching.